Like all Panameras, it is undergoing a mid-cycle refresh for 2021. The long name reflects all of the best features of the car. The 4 is for all-wheel drive, S stands for high performance, E-hybrid tells you that it's a plug-in hybrid, and executive denotes the wheelbase stretch. The internal combustion side of the hybrid system is familiar. Under the hood is the corporate twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6. It's the same engine Porsche uses in versions of the Macan and Cayenne and that Audi bolts in, among other things, the S6 and S7 sports sedans. A 325 horsepower version of the 2.9-liter is now the standard power plant in the base 2021 Panamera. In the new Panamera 4S e-hybrid it has a more serious 443 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. Between the new engine and its 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, Porsche crams in the heart of the e-hybrid system, a 134 horsepower electric motor. While 134 is a modest number of horsepower, the motor also thumps along with 295 pound-feet of instant torque. The combination feeds the V6 and the electric whizzer directly into the transmission. And it's all good for 552 horsepower and a thumping 553 pound-feet of torque. If you're checking our math, the motor and engine outputs don't add up to 577 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, because the motor and engine don't peak at the same RPM.
Subscribe to Auto TV.